Okay, guys, so we're auto trading right now the BidASKMultimarket Correlation. So it's been working right now well. We are up 395. So let's see if we can make some trades. And you can see the trades based on the automation and the signals from the system. You see these trades over here. See, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy. We won this one, and we lost this one.
Order filled.
We shorted again, and we won this one. We won a second one. We are short right now. See the market if fills the target. Right now the market is very calm. Nasdaq is generating good signals. See if it gets the target. Okay, guys, so basically what I'm talking about here is why I'm showing this is because that the systems work. The thing is that you need to find the best time to trade. Okay, so don't trade for example in the morning. It's very difficult to trade. So it's you know the market how it is. It's just it will stop you out and will continue, you know, moving in the direction that you were trading in. So that's the main point. Just try to find where these guys just go away. Okay, it's like that's what you need to look for. Okay, so you're not looking to win that much money or something. You know, you're just looking for one or two good trades, and that's it. The market always gives the opportunity. Always gives the opportunity. The thing is that we are not our you know our nervous system and everything is just we are too anxious sometimes. So you know that the market is gonna leave us, you know, and we're trying always to look for those home runs. So don't focus on that. That's nonsense. The market it's always been there and it's always gonna be there.
Target filled.
So that's what I tell you. You know, is that another 100. So that's what I tell you. You see that right now the market is the bar is you know it's not, they're not swiping the book, you know. So they're you see that tick up and down slowly. So these are retail traders, you know, trading, human trading, not system trading that you see the bar refresh so many times. So it's very difficult. Okay, so like I said before, we're trading the BidASKMultimarket Correlation. So we're trading with correlation. If the ES, the Nasdaq, and the YM or the RTY moves in the same direction, you can add to this indicator. You can add the advanced decline system instruments. Okay, so you can add the tick indicator that measures the up and down stocks in the New York Stock Exchange. So you can correlate all these many instruments that you need to help you out in a decision trading. Okay, so that way you can scalp the market. Okay, you can make money with this system. You can make money. You just need to automate the software and just focus on managing the trade. You don't need to enter the market. You can go automation. You can buy the Market Plus at the indicator store. You know, they got the software. Those softwares are done for something, you know, because the manual trading is almost over because traders are they don't have that consistency, you know, to find some trades. The algorithms, you know, they do, that's what they do. They search the market. Okay, they are not blind. They search the market for conditions. But if you are trading with a mouse, it's gonna be very difficult because when things are happening in lower time frames, you know, these guys they are already into the market. So the as you can see, the execution here, the execution is very quick. I couldn't you know, I don't see the conditions because it's on bar close. So the software generates the order and we enter the market. So that way I'm just supervising. Okay, I'm supervising everything here. Okay, so of course it loses. It's normal because I don't own the market. You know, the market is based on many participants, but I try to find a way to see bar volatility. Everything not all day long is not able for you to trade. You need to watch the market, see the market. It's not you. It's not you. Don't think that you are not a good trader. You can be a good trader, but you need to detect the best hour to trade. You cannot go into the market all day long. No, you cannot do that because there's machines trading. We're not in the 80s. You know, we're in the high frequency trading era. You know, these guys that they develop, there's very intelligent people out there. So it's something that you need to take into account. So that way you don't get messed up in the market. It's not you. You know, it's that you need to focus, and you can put the auto trading to work for you at this time of hours when you see the market. You need to stay in your screen, watch the market how it's doing. Okay, once you see it's trending, you see I draw this support. You know these double bottoms here. You see this is a good place to trade. Okay, you just need to wait till the market make a higher low, a lower high. You know, and the bar intro bar is not refreshing that much. So if you see that these guys are swiping the book, don't trade because they're still there. So they're just gonna wipe you out. That's their job. Okay, so I just want to talk about that because there's a lot of traders that they receive many emails from people, you know, that's trying to they struggle a lot because they're manually trading. So taking bad decisions, bad entries. You know, these guys just go at market. You know, and once you go at market, the market reverses and stops you out. So you need to work with limit orders. Okay, limit orders. You can buy at the bid or at the ask, or you can buy at the prior bar, high or low, or you can go 2 bars back. It all depends. What's your risk appetite? Okay, so and how much are you trying to win? How much? How much? I always tell people, how much are you winning? It can be a good, that you can feel happy, you can feel comfortable that you're trading. How much you can win in a week? Okay, so if that sums up, it can be $1,000 in a week, 800, 500. No, it all depends. It all depends what you are looking for. Because if you are aiming at very high money, you know, you once you get into when you start your computer, run your software, you're gonna be all messed up because your mind is you know has a big target. So that's gonna put pressure on your brain. So just get small targets and you're gonna build on that. Once you sit in your computer and you don't feel any fear, that's when you're gonna be in the right path. Okay, once you respect the signals, okay, because you're not gonna feel bad if you follow the rules, but you feel bad because you click all the way, you know, you're all around the place. So that's a big problem. You need to focus, let the software, you just need to program your software with the right conditions. Okay, so it's not your fault if things go wrong, because it's normal. You don't know this guy, for example, the Nasdaq. You know, the Nasdaq can whip 50 40 ticks in the blink of an eye. But how would you know that? It's impossible for you to know that. You just need to follow your plan and do your risk appetite. You know, don't overtrade, don't put too much money on the line. Okay, so I will only trade with money from the, you know, from this company, Stop Step Trader, One Up Trader. All these companies, they have lots of money. You just need to put a little bit of money there and pass the test. Okay, so it's a 10-day test. You can One Up, I think is One Up. You Profit Trader is for a 50K account. They just give you you don't have to do $2,500 in 10 days. Okay, so you have all the month. You can do that in 2 months, but the minimum is 10 days, 10 working days. So it's achievable. $2,500 is achievable. Okay, so you just need to do your homework. That do Get an account from these guys, and, you know, just trade it like if it's your own money. Okay, so if it just costs you $120 or $140, and you don't have to risk your money. So if you lose the account, you only lose $140, $150. So I wouldn't recommend going above 50K account because the target is very small. It doesn't put pressure on you. Okay, so that way, that's what I wanted to talk about today too, about people don't put money on the line. It's better if you buy your software, you invest in you, invest in a good machine, in a good computer. Don't buy a too expensive software. You don't need that for trading. You just need a good computer and a good software that has a sound, okay, that is logical, that something that is not stupid. It's not any ideas that they're gonna bring you lots and lots of money. No, this is very difficult. That's why there's high frequency traders, because they just bite a little bit here, a little bit there. I've seen a lot of podcasts about high frequency traders and all that, and these guys, they say they do 5,000 trades a day and all that. That's not logical. Why they are trading just for one or two ticks? Because they are scared of the market. They don't know what's going to happen after three ticks, and they just have a lot of money on the line. And they have this knowledge of disadvantage that we retail traders have. We have delayed data. We don't have data that they have. So for us winning 10 ticks, these guys will really scare their soul off, because they don't. Why are you winning too much? So these guys win one or two ticks, and they just out of the market. Maybe they do that. For the long and for the short side, they wait the market for shorts, and they have their stuff that they do. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Just this is the video about it. Don't lose confidence, and don't get lost. Don't get lost. The markets are very difficult, and the first thing that you need to work out is what is the pace of the market. What is the pace of the market? Okay, so if you find the pace of the market, that's the first step that you need to do. Okay, because you are a trader, you need to focus on that. If the market is trending too strong, don't trade. Don't trade, because you're just gonna get slaughtered and you're gonna feel bad. Okay, second, get a good computer. Third, get a good software. Okay, a software that has a logical idea. Okay, so that can work for you in your favor. I don't care if you buy mine or not. I don't care about that, because I already know how to trade. Okay, I know already how to trade, and I'm a developer too. So I trade my ideas, and they work. They work. The ideas work. It's not about that you are a bad trader. Okay, so you need to invest in yourself, and go and buy a combine or something. Because that you put skin on the game. Don't put your hard-earned money, because you're gonna prove you wrong for yourself. So you need to prove for yourself that you are a good trader. Okay, go to Marker Plus and go buy the software, the automation software. Buy it, because that's gonna put the rules in place. Okay, so the robot doesn't never make mistakes. Okay, so the ones that make mistakes are us. And don't put is a hypothetical profits that are too big. Just put a $500 weekly gain. That can be a good start. Okay, you can start with micros, you can start whatever, however you want. And that's all that I want to say, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video, and you can contact me. These red lines, guys, are experimental. Okay, so this is not for sale right now. Okay, so just wanted to clear that. This is the BidASKMultimarket Correlation. So that will be it. Any info, you can contact me.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.